Instagram has over 500 million daily active users, and the average user spends 53 minutes per day on Instagram. Why not use that time to build a business and to make some money? Thousands of people have already done it, and they are using Instagram on a daily basis to make money. The question is, why not you? In 2016, I figured out that building a following is the key to making money online, and since then I've invested over $250,000 into masterminds, coachings, consultations, and experiments on social media. And with the help of mentors, I was able to generate over $6 million in sales through Instagram, to build a network of over 50 million followers, to get the 2 Club Award for ClickFunnels for generating over $1 million in sales in 45 days with an Instagram account that had less than 15,000 followers, to work with influencers and celebrities from all around the world, to build a business that runs on autopilot, that makes money when I hang out with friends, when I spend time with my family, when I just drive around in beautiful Dubai, and also when I sleep. I now on average spend 3 hours and 23 minutes per day on Instagram, but I don't use that time to consume content. I don't waste it. I use it to manage different accounts for my clients, my business partners, and for myself. Every post that I publish makes me thousands of dollars. My name is Nicholas Pette, and yes, I'm just 20 years old. And yes, I moved to Dubai on my own at 18, and yes, I generated over $1 million in sales in 45 days.
Hey, what's up? And welcome to the video. So you're probably here on this page because you want to learn how I got over 1 million followers on Instagram and how I, with just one of my Instagram theme pages, make $30,000 plus per month completely on autopilot. Yes, that's right. I make 30 grand a month with less than 5 minutes of work per week. And the cool thing is that I actually do it without showing myself and without having my own product. And in today's video, I will show you, first of all, what an Instagram theme page is, how I got over 1 million followers, and how I make those $30,000 plus per month, and how you can go from $0 to $10,000 a month too with a simple Instagram theme page without showing yourself, without having your own product, without any upfront investment capital, and without any previous experience. Hey, my name is Nicholas Pette, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm 22 years old, and you're probably here on this page because you've been following me on Instagram for some time. You've maybe seen some stories, some feed posts and everything, and maybe you're wondering, hey, how can this 22-year-old dude live in Dubai in a 300 plus square meter apartment? How can he drive a G63, always travel the world with friends, eat out in 5-star restaurants, and how does he make $100,000 plus per month? And that's exactly what I will show you in today's video. Now, to do that, I have to take you back to 2015, because in 2015, that's when everything started for me. Look, I was a broke student. I had no idea what to do with my life. I played computer games all day long, but I had dreams and goals, right? I wanted to break out of the system and become my own boss, travel the world, and simply live a life of freedom. Why? Because look, at that point, I was following all of those people on social media, on Instagram, on YouTube, even on Snapchat, and I saw so many young entrepreneurs, people the same age of me, 20 years old, 22, 18 years old, 25 years old, something like this, traveling the world, making money, running businesses like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, doing Facebook ads, and they were simply living this amazing lifestyle, didn't have to work in a 9 to 5, and they just had freedom. They were able to travel the world with friends, they had fun, and they make tons of money, right? And I saw that on social media. I was like, wow, this is amazing. I want to have the same lifestyle. I don't want to work in a 9 to 5 my whole life long and, be a slave